Greetings. Look at the weather. It's foggy. There is actually fresh snow, although it's melting on the ground. It's April. I've spent the 2 last videos telling you about how the spring is coming and it's so beautiful, and yeah, this is spring in Norway. April is not it's not uncommon to have a last snowfall in April, even in May. But yeah, it's a Sunday and the forecast was actually quite good. It's forecasted sunshine and 15 centigrade today, so I hope, and I see now that some sun is coming through. I hope it will be splendid at the top. So right now I'm walking along the old railroad. They've removed the tracks and they've fixed the road so it's possible for you to hike here, bike, and skiing in the winter even. But it's kind of cool when you look at this and you think that trains were coming here back in the day and that they actually created this way back. They dug in the mountain to create roads for the iron monsters. Quite amazing. It's deep too, so it's amazing. I am now walking up this tractor road, this gravel road, and I've been here once before. I think it was a year ago. I came to the realization that when I did this hike the previous time, it was the first time I actually talked to the camera. And it's been a journey, and I will continue that journey. A journey of self-growth and gaining confidence in myself. It's been quite amazing when you look back at it, how I went from not even showing my face to sharing some really personal things and talking directly to the camera. I've come to the crossroads once again. Hello there, Mr. Raven. Anyways, I can choose this road to the top, and that's 2.1 kilometers, and it's not that steep. Yeah, I totally agree. And then we have that road, which is 1.3 kilometers, but it's really, really steep. I think I'll choose this one, which is longer, and then I have the steep one back down. There is more than one raven here. This is taking the breath out of me. I mean, look at this. You can't even see the bottom, and you can't see the top. I think I'm a bit over halfway until I reach the top, and then I will dive down a bit before I will go straight up to the top. The other way around, I said, was steeper, and just up, and that's true. I just had forgotten this insane hill I had to climb. I had totally forgot about that hill, and if I were smart, I would have thought about it and probably not walked here at all today. But here I am. I'm too stubborn to turn around, and finally I found, oh my god, the snow. I found the path that leads into the woods instead of this tractor road thing. Finally. Even though it's really foggy today, the sun tries its best to shine through. Sometimes it gets a bit lighter, and then it gets darker again. It's windy up there, so that's probably the reason why. And I hope that within me getting to the top, it will be clear so that it's actually possible to see anything. This water is filtered through so many rocks and grass and all the things that's up here, and it's melted snow. Basically, it's melted snow that's been filtered through dirt and rocks, sand, trees. It's so delicious. Just what I need now. Before I head up to the top. Ah, so cold, it almost stings. Ah. So the last time I was there, I walked awfully off the path, like 1 or 2 kilometers wrong down there, and I had to climb myself up back up, and I eventually found the the right path, but it was exhausting, and I was so frustrated and angry when I got back to the car. But now I'm actually a bit familiar with this place. I recognize many things, and I see the blue markings easier now when there is just a tiny amount of snow and not a half a meter depth. Apparently, this is the view I've got. It's questionable, I'd say. It's not great. It's windy, but that's okay, I guess. This is a top at least. Not much of a view, unfortunately, but yeah. Due to the awful winds, I'm not going to light a fire. I'm not going to stop for a coffee. I'm just heading back down. This is really unpleasant, and I'm not going to stay here longer than I have to in this wind. It's not pleasant in any way. Anyways, I hope you liked this hike. It was good before it started to be that windy, before the wind started to howl around my ears. Because the wind is now getting stronger, I'm just going to speed down and get home and get warm, because this, nah, I'm not going to stay out for this. So yeah, see you guys around.